Let's take a look
How
again.
to
Transform the target. For example, I have now selected this staircase. What about the way it changes? There are 3 shortcuts. They are W1 respectively, or you can see it through this above. The first is called the selection press. Press and hold Q to switch to, and the second one, pan. Then rotate. And what about scaling? By WW, or 1 and then 2 keys to switch. W can make it cheaper. Click 1 to rotate. Then 2 can be scaled. Okay, other, this and that, my R's. Then include this shortcut for 3 max. Is it the same? To perform some basic transformations. What else? We can also turn the alignment on and off. You can see this side, there is a drag alignment. What do rotate alignment and zoom alignment mean? Let's say we turn it off now. You can see I'm moving now. Isn't he smooth? But what happens if I open it now? Grid by grid. If I make this big now, if you change it to 100, it is 1 meter. He's moving 1 meter every time, see? Each time it moves by 1 meter for alignment and shrinkage. Align adsorption? Okay, same principle. Let's say I want to rotate 90 degrees every time. We can rotate. You can see it. Do a 90-degree rotation for each rotation. So does scaling. We can say twice as much about him at a time. Okay, this is still easier to understand.